Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I did a little shopping at Chanel and I put up a picture on Instagram, asked if you guys wanted to see what I bought. Everyone was like, yes, do an unboxing. So I'm here today to do that. I would be super nosy too and want to know what everyone got from Chanel. So Michael and I went to New York a couple weeks ago for a YouTube event. We went there to learn all about how to grow our channel and just have a successful channel. It was actually really fun. We vlogged the trip, so I'll leave the vlog up here if you guys want to watch it, but we had a great time. We were kind of sad because it was our first time leaving Julian, but it was for work and it was for him in the end, trying to better our business. So it was good. And we had a couple hours one morning, so we're like, let's go to Soho, do some shopping. And I love Chanel, but believe it or not, I've actually never bought anything from a Chanel store. So I have a pair of espadrilles that I got at the Nordstrom in Nashville because they have a little boutique there. And I have a pair of little cute Chanel flip-flops that I got last year at Bergdorf Goodman in New York City. And then I just got my bag over Christmas, but that was actually from Fashionphile. It was pre-owned. So I have never bought anything from a boutique. So I knew I wanted to pick up something. Michael actually was treating me. He said it was my anniversary and Mother's Day present combined. So we went into a couple stores. We went into Dior. I didn't really see anything we liked, or Louis. So I was like, let's just go into Chanel and see. And I found two things that I love. One thing I've been wanting for a long time. The second thing I just saw when we walked in. I was like, gotta have it. So I'm gonna share everything today. Little confession, one thing I have already unboxed and worn, but I kind of tried to wrap it all up, so it'll be just as exciting for you guys. So here is the bag that it comes in. Really beautiful black. It says Chanel and it has the really pretty ribbon. And you guys are probably like, how did you get that back without ruining it in the plane? I actually just brought this as my carry-on. Okay, let's take the little ribbon off. So the first thing, the biggest thing, as you can probably tell, is a thing that I've already unboxed and wore. I was trying so hard not to unbox it, but I was like, you know what? I need to wear them and I'll film when I can film. So I've kind of messed up the ribbon here, but that's okay. I usually don't keep stuff like this. If you guys ever buy luxury items, do you keep the boxes or the bags? Do you even care about it? Because I used to keep them for a long time, and I was like, why am I keeping just cardboard boxes? So I don't anymore. Pretty box. You guys are so pretty. Okay, when you open it up, it's all nice and tissue papered. It comes with the little dust bags. You get one for each shoe. They say Chanel. I have to say, these are probably the cutest shoes I've ever seen. You guys are gonna die. Okay, here they are. They're so pretty. So they are really cute little sandals. They are nude. They have quilting on them. Okay, so here you guys can probably see better. As soon as I saw these when we walked into the store, I was like, oh, they're beautiful. I really love, obviously, the classic Chanel quilting. I think it's really beautiful. I have the black jumbo that I talked about earlier, and the quilting is just like this, but it's black. And I've been wanting a beige one for a long time, but personally, if I'm gonna buy a Chanel bag, I'm gonna look pre-loved first to hopefully get a better deal on it. So I'm kind of in the market for that. Maybe I'll get one of those soon, but in the meantime, I just thought these shoes were so pretty and they reminded me of it. So on the side, you can probably tell they're an espadrille. They're straw on the side, so they're perfect for summer, perfect for the beach. They're just really cute. They have the little leather inside here that says Chanel, and then I really love this little detail too. It looks like the purse strap or the bag straps. Has the little gold and it has the little CC charm. They're adorable. They're true to size. I got a size 37, which is just a 7 in US sizing. And they're made in Spain, so they're really beautiful. I'll insert some clips so you guys can see how they look on. So I think they're just the perfect mix of casual but elegant at the same time. So I would totally wear these, and I have worn them already with jean shorts and a tank top, super casual, or I dress them up with a dress or dress pants or something. I just think you can wear them a bunch of different ways. They're really comfortable, and I just love them. Nothing more to say other than I just think they're beautiful. Okay, and the second thing I got, really, really cute too. I'm so excited about this. Okay, so I didn't open this one. I've saved it for the video. The bow is all perfect and nice. By the way, what do you guys think of my headband? I bought this headband a year ago and it's my first time wearing it. I do think they're cute. They're just hard for me to like figure out how to maneuver them. Okay, so you get the little box, a little dust bag in here. I've actually not opened them. And here they are, little earrings. So they are the gold crystal earrings. I'll leave like the style numbers down below if I can find them. The shoes are just called lambskin beige espadrille. So I'll leave the style down below for everything, but these earrings are really pretty. They're just like a pale yellow gold, and they had the little crystals. They're a little bit bigger. They had a couple different versions of like the CC earrings, and I wanted ones that were really big. So these are the biggest ones that I could find. I just think they're really pretty. I have heard people saying that the crystals can fall out easily, so to be careful with them. So I'll probably only wear these for like special occasions, or if I'm gonna have my hair up where you can really see them, but I do think they're beautiful. I've just been wanting to add these to my collection for years, so I love them. I'll insert also some clips so you guys can see what they look like on. So here is what the earrings look like on. I've actually never tried them on until just now, and I love them so much more now that I've tried them on. I feel like they're the perfect size. Like, you actually notice them. Sometimes I've seen like the little CC earrings and they're so dainty that you don't actually notice them, but I feel like even with my hair down, they like really stand out. I think they're really beautiful. They're not heavy either. They're pretty light on your ears. They feel good. So those are my new earrings and my new shoes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of on the shorter side, but I just thought you guys might be interested to see what I bought, so I thought I'd include it kind of in one quick little video. Let me know if you like seeing unboxings, and I can definitely do them more regularly whenever I get something. I'm thinking about doing a video where I kind of share with you guys the process of what it's like for me to buy a pre-loved handbag. So if that's something you'd like to see, like me actually looking online and trying to find it and like pricing and stuff like that, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!